It is, I don't know, but we're gonna go on vacation. And we just threw out 12 hours vacation literally T minus 12 hours ago. I've already packed because, yeah, hair is done, but it's something stinking. So I need to bring alcohol with me, or I can fix it real quick. But I'm gonna go on vacation. I already packed. It's like a quick little beach trip. I already packed. And then finna get changed because they're like, go ahead and have your swimsuit on. I need to put on my little outfit. I'm gonna go. So let's get ready to go. Right now, this is how I look. I would sit y'all up, but I don't even have no tripod right now because we gotta go. I'm gonna put on this shirt. If you saw my vlog where I went to Kohl's to go get like some work clothes, I bought this shirt. I'm gonna put this on with this, and I'm gonna put on some gold sandals. So yeah, let's yeah.
When I get ready to take it, I said that's how it happens. When you get ready to take some shit, the bitch start working.
While we're in here, we're getting stuff for barbecue and some other stuff. I don't know exactly what. Sorry, I don't know exactly what on the top of my head. I with my dad, who's so happy to be bald, and my brother who walked away. And yeah, I'm gonna do a real fit check, make it sweat when I get to where we're going. Hey y'all, so fit. I will give y'all a real fit check later. I've been looking for pretzels, white chocolate covered fits, FT. Picture here of these pretzels because I have bought them and I left them and I've been trying to find them. We're at Walmart, they don't sell them. They don't sell my stuff. So yeah. All that we've gotten so far. It's a whole lot of weird stuff. We're at the beach. Well, at some part at the beach. We're actually right here, and I think my lace is lifting a little bit. Probably wasn't the best decision to do, but I get my hair done in T minus 1 week, and I had those braids in, so it kind of was the best decision because that way I could just rip this off and go get my hair done instead of having to take down braids for 3 hours. So yeah.
The next day.
Wait for me, that's banana.
Oh, what is that?
Just jalapeno muffins with cheese.
Good morning. It is day 2. There's my food over here, and yeah. What are we doing today, Mom? Crab legs, pool, and whatever else. That's what's on the agenda. And yeah, I'm not going to no gym. Yeah, and I forgot to do a room tour, and it's way too risky to do a room tour here now, so we'll do one later. Also, I just woke up, like, I didn't even brush my teeth, wash my face, so don't judge. Here is the paycheck for day 2. I think it's cute. Okay, y'all, it's hot. My lace is lifted. Would y'all believe me if I told you I had to get a whole new number if I was down here? You probably wouldn't. We're at this place called, actually, we've been to Ross and a couple other stores, but now we're at this flea market-y place. I don't know. I just know I have to get a phone case and something else. Yeah, my wig is completely destroyed. Y'all, I look blisteringly hot, but I smell peaches. Oh, I might be smelling that smoothie thing over there. It's like smoothies over there. I don't even know what it looked like. I wonder if I can see it over there. I got a bunch of. This we call a booby. It's called booby.
No, booty.
Booby. They don't like no boobs.
Oh. They got some, what's it called? The one that open
Venus faucet? I don't see any. That looks nasty. I don't see none. These like $5. Like what? I guess these are good deals as they're like literally going on the other side. Hi, Mama.
They're gonna have flies and bugs. Yeah. That's why you take them home and you clean them.
Y'all, I know it seems like I'm just now starting to vlog for real, and it is because I've been so busy. But I just started vlogging for real. So now that I'm vlogging for real, I can pay attention to what I'm doing and actually have footage. So maybe this vlog is gonna be longer because I thought it was gonna be like 3 seconds.
I know we're gonna go eat.
They got a whole bunch of waffles. You seem irritated. Are you irritated? Where are your phone at? I'm not paying $2 for that. Where's the person you pay with? This will match my my outfit. I just bought an outfit on Shein. But I'm gonna look out for a Shein haul.
That was actually $2.
Okay.
Here looks extra wide. Okay, so now we're at this place. I don't know what the name of it is, but I'll let you know.
Yeah, cheap. Really?
You know who should get it from.
You got it?